Hi guys, welcome to Making Sawdust. Today we are turning this microfiche cabinet into a toolbox. I found this cabinet for free on Marketplace a few months ago, but it seems to be in the wrong location. I put it on the back ledge of my workbench at the end of my miter station to see how it would work in my shop. It is quite useful because of the shallow drawers, so it is a real space saver in my shop. But I found that I was always reaching too far to access my tools, and I needed it to be relocated. I decided to move it 90 degrees from where it was sitting and switch its position with the Kennedy, but that was going to require some modifications to the existing space. I first need to take all the guts out. I'm able to salvage and repurpose quite a few of these items that I'm taking out. The rear flap as well as the front ramp are held on by two rivets. Salvaging these rear flaps actually yielded some really neat little parts. I guess I would call them maybe a clevis pin or a hinged clevis of some sort. But these will actually come in handy for, well, I can't think of anything right now, but I'll save them. I'm not saving all of these heavy wallpaper sleeves, but they'll certainly come in handy for small epoxy mixing along with these wires I'll save. I'm a big fan of summer garage sales, so I was able to use a full roll of shelf liner that I got for $1, and I had just enough to do the cabinet and a little left over. I'm using Super 77 spray adhesive, and I spray it on both sides that I want to stick, but I don't let it dry up completely. I leave it a little tacky, and it lets me work that in, and it's not such a one and done type installation. Next, I actually have to build a little platform at the end of my miter station, and I had some leftover melamine. I'm going to just make a little stand for it, throw 6 screws in it, and we are going to slide the toolbox in. This was a pretty fun project to finish up. I finally got a lot of my tools put away. I excavated my plier pile and my hammer pile. I now have a little better plan on what I'm going to do with these cubbies on my miter station, so stay tuned for that. I'd like to invite you over to kevinswoodcreations.com and subscribe to my newsletter over there. You're going to get every new article I post along with a monthly newsletter. kevinswoodcreations.com. There is a link in the description. And for those of you that are still sticking around in the end of this video, I want you to make sure you subscribe and give me a like and leave me a comment and tell me what you think, guys. And as always, get out your shop and start making some sawdust.